In 2026, the best sewing machines combine mechanical durability with AI-driven precision. Modern models now feature fabric sensing technology to automatically adjust tension and wireless connectivity for instant pattern downloads. Starting at number 1, Brother CS7000X sewing machine. The Brother CS7000X is an upgraded favorite designed to be a do-it-all machine for both beginners and experienced crafters. It is specifically engineered for versatility, offering 70 built-in stitches, including decorative, heirloom, and 7 styles of auto-sized buttonholes. This model improves upon its predecessor with a stronger metal frame for better stability and an improved needle threader that makes setup much faster. The included wide extension table is a standout feature, providing the extra surface area necessary for large quilting projects or formal wear. The machine is highly user-friendly, featuring a backlit LCD display for easy stitch selection and a fixed needle bar that ensures cleaner stitching and even lines. It comes ready to work with a comprehensive accessory bundle, including 10 specialized sewing feet such as walking, quilting, and overcasting feet, and a hard protective case. Whether you are tackling thick denim layers or delicate quilting, the CS7000X balances computerized precision with a portable, lightweight design. Number 2, Singer Heavy Duty 4423 Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is a legendary workhorse in the sewing world, prized for its raw power and mechanical simplicity. Unlike delicate computerized models, the 4423 is built with a heavy-duty interior metal frame and a stainless steel bed plate, allowing it to handle thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather without skipping stitches. Its standout feature is the extra high-speed motor, which is 60% stronger than standard machines and can clock in at a blistering 1,100 stitches per minute, significantly cutting down the time required for large projects. While it focuses on strength, it doesn't sacrifice convenience. It offers 97 stitch applications via 23 built-in stitches, including essential utility, stretch, and decorative options. It also features a one-step buttonhole and a built-in needle threader to reduce eye strain. This machine is ideal for those who prioritize durability and piercing power for home decor, upholstery, or heavy garment construction. Number 3, Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 is a top-rated lightweight sewing machine designed for those who need a reliable, no-fuss tool for everyday projects. While it is compact and highly portable, it is surprisingly full-featured, offering 27 built-in stitches that cover everything from basic mending to decorative hems and quilting. Its mechanical dial interface makes it incredibly intuitive for beginners, while the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin system, usually found on more expensive models, ensures a smooth sewing experience even for those just starting out. This machine is particularly popular for its ease of setup, featuring an automatic needle threader and a built-in free arm for sewing difficult cylindrical pieces like sleeves and pant hems. It comes with 6 interchangeable presser feet, including zigzag buttonhole and zipper feet, making it a versatile choice for garment construction, home decor, and DIY crafts. Number 4, Brother SE700 Sewing Machine. The Brother SC700 is a sophisticated, the next generation 2-in-1 machine that bridges the gap between traditional sewing and modern digital crafting. Its standout feature is wireless LAN connectivity, allowing you to link the machine to the Artspira mobile app. This enables you to draw your own embroidery designs on your smartphone or tablet and send them wirelessly to the machine, no USB sticks required. Equipped with a vivid 3.7" color LCD touchscreen, the SE700 allows you to preview and edit designs before stitching. It features a standard 4x4 embroidery field and comes preloaded with 135 designs and 103 sewing stitches. With a focus on user convenience, it includes a 7-point feed dog system for smooth fabric management and an automatic needle threader. It is the ideal choice for hobbyists looking to add professional-grade monograms and intricate patterns to their projects with a modern, tech-forward workflow. Number 5, Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is a premium computerized machine designed for those who want professional-grade features and endless creative options. It is widely considered one of the most feature-rich machines in its class, boasting a massive library of 600 built-in stitches, including 5 different alphanumeric fonts for lettering and monogramming. The 960 is engineered for ease of use during complex projects, featuring an automatic thread cutter, which trims the top and bottom threads with a single touch, an electronic autopilot mode for sewing without a foot pedal, and a speed control slider. The included large extension table and hard-sided dust cover make it a favorite for quilters and those working on large-scale garments. Its stitch editing capabilities allow you to mirror, elongate, or even combine stitches to create entirely unique patterns.